So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I can access our stock videos and audio. So over here you can see that there's a favorite section right here. So there may be some stock videos and audio that you may want to quickly access out. So in that case, you can go around and add them out onto your favorites. So to do that, as you hover around over here on a particular video clip, you can see that star icon appears. As you click on this, what happens is that it gets listed out in favorites over here. Similarly, let's say for example, there's a collection of videos that you want to go around and use, but you're not sure. Then you can go around and then add in star on them right here, one by one, just like this. And then what happens is that they will actually appear over here. Same goes for the audio as well. So you can go around over here, add in star right here. You can add in star right here, add in star right here. And what happens is that they will appear over here in favorites, as you can see. You can go around and then refresh it if you don't see it right here. And if you want to remove them out from the favorites, then simply click on the star button right here and they will be removed. And that is how you can add in media files to favorites inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.